Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through the process of downloading House Flipper 2 on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular gaming platform that gives you access to thousands of games. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the official Steam website. In the top right corner, click Install Steam and follow the installation steps. Once you've got Steam installed, open it. If you don't have a Steam account yet, click Create a Free Account and fill in your email and password. After logging in, head to the search bar at the top right and type in House Flipper 2. The game will appear in the search results. Click on its title to open the store page and learn more about it. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After you've bought the game, go to your Library tab where you'll find House Flipper 2 listed. Click on the game and press the Install button. You'll be asked where you want to install the game. Choose your preferred location and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, the Play button will appear in your library. Click it to launch House Flipper 2. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.